Alright, well I just noticed that for some reason my fan's not working. So I'm going to show you, if your ceiling fan gives out, how you can take an electric heater and a pair of jumper cables and directly connect the electricity coming through your space heater into your ceiling fan. First, what you want to do is plug the space heater in here. And this is basically how I've got this hooked up. First off, you're going to want to take the hot wire, strip off some of the wire there, attach it at the base. Then you want to take your ground cable and put it up here, so the rig looks something like this. Then what you're going to want to do is take your other ends of the cable, hook one here. Uh-oh. I think it's turning itself on already. So just turn her on. Uh-oh. Well, it's got some charge to her now.